Welcome to a very special morning edition of The Green Life with Matthew Carlos and Brady G. And what do we got here?
That?
We got tomatoes coming in?
Yes.
We also just got about 3 inches of rain in 20 minutes, and the garden is flooded.
Let's step this water in the water table. In the water table?
How'd the water get flooded? How'd that garden get flooded?
That baby would throw water in the water table.
Yeah.
That bad?
I don't know about that. Oh, man. This one's looking pretty good, though, huh? Got a big bug on there. I did. Are there any peppers coming in here, Brady? Oh, there's a slug. Get that slug out of there.
What slug?
This slug. You see him?
You got him. Oh, that one I grabbed him.
I got him.
He got him.
But look how flooded it all is. That's not going to be good for that little tomato plant over there. I feel like this is the draining situation come to life. You know, it's just the incline. You want to dump out the whole garden?
Yeah.
Brady, isn't there some big red tomatoes coming in over there, though?
And I guess the signs are sick.
But Brady, our peppers are growing pretty big, huh?
And I get the signs. Dada, you got the ones.
More weeds, huh?
Now you got the ones.
Brady, how's these ones doing? Oh, hot peppers coming in.
Daddy,
Yeah?
you know what's happening?
What is it? You gonna toss him off? Or should we just let him be? I don't think he's hurting us. What do you think, Matthew?
Look at him. Huh? He's not moving.
Do you think he's hurting the plant?
He looks dead. Dada, he's not moving.
Let's see, I'll move him. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, buddy.
It looks like a wasp.
I don't think it's a wasp.
Ooh.
He's really holding on tight.
How can we try? Let me try to shot this.
I hear thunder. Maybe we go inside.
No.
Alright, Matthew, touch him. Oh, where did he go?
He Barry family.
No, he's right there.
Hey.
Were you trying to hurt him?
No, I'm trying to talk to him. Right here.
Yeah, let's see. Hey, buddy, can you get off our plants? Oh, there he is again.
No. Buddy.
We don't want to hurt him, right?
Yeah. But he's sick.
Garden is getting rocked. The rains just didn't stop. But ultimately, I feel like the rain was a good thing. Good for the garden when it wasn't flooding. Good for us. Good for the earth. And dare I say, good for the green life. Thanks for watching.